I've got a feeling, something to believe in, with both my feet on the ground, making a major sound. I used to be a fighter, now I'm so much lighter. Just want a normal life without the 9 to 5. In my life I've done so many different things. Only truly feel happy when I get a chance to sing the words I wanna say to you. Find this vessel in the note of my heart, a feeling with meaning. It all started with a thought. The creative spark is an elusive thing. Wish it won't help if it ain't happening. It's not where you are, but where you wanna go. So open your heart and make a tone. Let's go. But my message will endure. I guess that I am lucky, since my music will be heard. I consider your opinion, but at the end of the day, I'm not doing it for you. I've got nothing to prove.